Now we'll solve the problem. A body starts from rest and moves with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance s1 in first 10 seconds and s2 in next 10 seconds. Then find the relationship between s1 and s2. This is the question given. Now the data we have is u equal to given. So the things given to us are u equal to 0. Then acceleration is a constant acceleration. S1 I don't know, and time is 10 seconds. So I can using S is equal to ut plus half at square. I can get S1 as 0 into 10 plus half into a into 10 square. Simplifying, S1 I am getting as 50a. 50a. Let us say this is equation 1. Similarly, when you need to calculate S2 is going to be the distance traveled in next 10 seconds. That means 20 seconds distance minus 10 seconds distance. The distance traveled in 20 seconds minus the distance traveled in first 10 seconds gives rise to the distance traveled in next 10 seconds. Therefore, S2 can be distance traveled in 20 seconds minus distance traveled in first 10 seconds in 10 seconds. This I can get it as S2 is equal to 0 into 10 plus half into a into 10 square. This is the first 10 seconds. First 20 seconds can be 20 square minus 0 into 10 minus half a into 20 square. So if you simplify, here you are getting as 200a minus 50a. That comes out to be 150a. And he is asking us the ratio. Therefore, S1 by S2 is equal to 50a divided by 150a. A will get cancelled. S1 is S2 comes out to be 1:3. So this is the relationship between S1 and S2. Look at the problem now. So this is the data given. He is asking us to get the ratio or relationship between the distance traveled in first 10 seconds and the distance traveled in next 10 seconds. So the distance traveled in first 10 seconds can be calculated as, using the data, S is equal to ut plus half at square is the equation of motion we have used. So simplifying, I am getting S1 as 50a. That means in first 10 seconds it has traveled 50a distance. Then in the next 10 seconds how much it is traveled means, to calculate that we will be taking the total distance traveled in 20 seconds minus the distance traveled in first 10 seconds. Substituting the values over here, I am getting it as 150a. So this is the distance traveled in next 10 seconds. Since he is asking the relationship, take the ratio dividing 1 with 2. S1 by S2 I am getting. So S1 S2 relation is going to be 1:3. So this is how the problem can be solved.